Okay, hi everyone. Welcome again to Your Pedia Education. So, I think all of you know like fall semester deadlines are very nearby. Some universities have deadline of 1st December, some have on 15th December, then 10th January, and some have deadlines in the month of March. Through Your Pedia, we are going to give you a lot of information so that you can make your graduate studies application successful. So, I'm going to provide you much information on master's courses and PhD courses in USA and other countries. So in the first video of this fall semester's application, I'm going to talk about different type of master's courses which are available in different countries like USA, Canada, Germany, Australia, New Zealand. So let's begin. What are the different type of master's courses? So here I mentioned different type of master's courses which are available in abroad countries like USA, Canada, Germany, then again Australia, New Zealand, and I will discuss about different pros and cons and what is the difference actually between these courses. So I'll start one by one. So one type of course which is very prestigious, that is called MASc, Masters in Applied Science. MSc in some of the countries, and countries like USA it is called MS by thesis. So this is very prestigious course. What happens like it is similar to MS by research course in India. So if you are aware about MS by research courses in India, it's similar to that. Uh, so what's the duration if you ask me? Generally, it is of 2 years. And among these 2 years, for the very first year, you have to do the graduate level courses, and in the second year, you have to do the thesis. So it is similar to MS by R courses in India, and these courses come always with the scholarship. That is the best part of this particular course, and this is good for job as well as PhD. Okay, so if you want to do the job, then yeah, these courses are helpful, and obviously in PhD also, because within this 1 year, within the second year of your uh, MS thesis course, so you have to do the research, and that is very very helpful for the PhD. So it is offered in different universities. So in countries like Canada, we have universities as well as colleges. So if you ask me where it is offered in universities. MASc courses, it is called in Canada. In US, it is offered in universities as well as in colleges. Okay, and generally you will get 3 year work visa after these courses. So what you have to do, what's your schedule once you join this course? You have to do basically courses for the very first year. Generally in the second year, those who join M-Eng courses, which I'm going to talk next, they basically go for internships in different industries. But what you have to do, you have to work with the professor. From the summer semester, you start working with the professor, you work on your thesis. Then next 2 semester also you worked on your thesis. It is a small defense, which is like I would say like it is a mini defense, or this course is also called mini PhD. So you have to give one defense in front of committee, and once you are done with that, basically you are done with this MS by thesis course. And most of the time you will get 1 or 2 publication once you finish this type of course, and that is very very helpful for PhD. So second type of course is M-Eng course. This is little bit different from MASc or MS by thesis course. So what you have to do, it is same like MTech in India. So you just have to do 2 years of thesis, 2 years of coursework, not thesis. And it is without thesis course. That is a good part if you're not interested in research at all. You just want to do the courses, want to get your master's, and then you want to join a job. This is very good course for you. It is relatively easier to get into M-Eng than in MASc or MS by thesis course. And scholarships are not there in this particular course because you are doing only coursework. So generally professors are not going to provide you scholarship, but yes, there are some sort of fellowships, or if you want to avail scholarship from the department in the form of TA, then that is available in M-Eng courses. I'm going to make different video on different type of scholarships which are available. But yes, in this video, I'm talking about these 3 courses. And yes, these M-Eng courses are best for industrial jobs. Why I'm saying it is best? Why MASc and MS by thesis is not best? Because what happened during the first 2 semesters, you have to do the graduate level courses. Then there is a small summer semester of 3 months where you are going and join some different industries for internship, which is available in M-Eng course. But if you are doing thesis, you have to work with a professor. This internship opportunity is not available. So MEng course, you are basically doing internship outside the university, which is very, very helpful in getting the full-time job after your master's course. So that's why I would say, like, if you want to join a job, MEng courses are best, and it is again offered in universities, and you will get same 3-year work visa after completion of this particular course. Third course, which is not known much, but it is available in countries like Canada and New Zealand. So that is called PG diploma courses. So if you think during your bachelor's your marks is very, very less, you have backlogs, and you want to go to abroad but you don't want to put much effort, then PG diploma courses are for you. So in this PG diploma courses, duration is varies between 1 to 3 years. Okay, and uh, it is somewhat it is similar to skill enhancement courses. It is same like skill enhancement courses. So you don't have a complete coursework. Rather than that, what they will do in PG diploma courses, they will take one skill. For example, if you're a mechanical engineer, they will take welding technology, and they will offer one PG diploma course on welding technology, where you become the specialized in welding technology, and on the basis of that you will get some industrial jobs. So it is very easy courses as compared to MASC and MEng. But yeah, the bad part is scholarship is not there. But again, the good part is fee for this particular PG diploma courses is very, very less as compared to MEng and MASC. I would say it is almost half. Okay, it is again helpful for industrial jobs. Yes, one thing which you have to keep in mind, it is offered in colleges, not universities. So there is a difference. If you want to go to Canada, there are colleges, there are universities. So universities offered MEng, MASC course, which are expensive, but this PG diploma courses, since it is offered by colleges, it is cheaper courses, and you don't have to put much effort. It is comparatively easier than the MEng and MASC courses. And yes, if you're doing 2 years of PG diploma courses, you will again get 3 year of work visa. So according to your profile and according to your temperament, how much efforts you want to put, you can choose among these 3 different type of master's courses. If you're still confused, don't worry, Yourpedia mentors are always available. You can approach us anytime. You can visit our website, or you can approach our executive. You can always fill the Google form if you have any queries, and we will explain you. So yes, finally, if I summarize, most difficult courses are MS by thesis, where you have to do 1 year of coursework, 1 year of thesis. Then come MEng courses, which is similar to MTech in India, where 2 years you just have to do the courses and one internship, which is very, very helpful to get a job after your masters. Third type of courses is PG diploma, very easy, very cheap. It focus on one specialized skill, and it will helpful to get industrial job. So if you just want to go to abroad and don't want to put much effort, I would say PG diploma courses are for you. So for more such kind of information, be on Yourpedia. I will come up with different content next time. Thank you very much.